Welcome. As you can see, my skin is not only clear of acne, but it's also quite youthful and vibrant looking. It's actually much more youthful and vibrant looking than it was just a couple years ago when I first started YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you my simple skincare routine that you can do at home so that you too can also achieve clear and youthful looking skin. So the first and most important product that I'm going to be using in this video is the product that happens to be the most powerful anti-acne and anti-aging product that is available over the counter, at least in the United States. And that product is this, Differin. Differin is the brand name for Adapalene, and it has been available over the counter starting in 2017. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Now, it's actually been available by prescription ever since the mid-90s, but starting in 2017, it's been available over the counter in its lower strength, 0.1%. There's still a stronger strength, 0.3%, that is only available by prescription. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to use it once a day, and you're supposed to wash your face first. I've already washed my face. And preferably, you should use this at night, close to the time that you go to sleep. So the instructions say to just apply a thin layer across the affected area, which in my case is my face, since that's where I am looking for anti-aging and anti-acne properties. And I'll just apply a thin layer and this product, it's a great product because I can really feel its effectiveness. I've been using it every day for more than a year now, and you can really feel it exfoliate your skin. Even after using it for more than a year, every single time I use it, I can really feel it exfoliating my skin. Another anti-acne product that I often use, and this is the only product in this video that is only available by prescription, is this stuff. It's Topical Clindamycin. It's a topical antibiotic that is designed to kill the bacteria that causes acne on your skin. But one thing about it is there is at least one study that shows that if you use it 5 or 10 minutes after you use Differin, and that's about as long as it's been since I applied the Differin, it will absorb better into your skin, and so possibly combining it with Differin will make it more potent. Now, this product you use twice a day after you wash your face. Now, if you have acne, you should only wash your face twice a day. It's a myth to think that washing your face more than twice a day will improve acne. In fact, washing your face more than twice a day can actually make your acne worse. Now, I do think that clindamycin is a very effective anti-acne product, and just like Differin, it can be used as both a treatment and as a preventative. And I would actually say that if I had to choose between Differin and clindamycin, I would actually choose Differin, but still, clindamycin is a very effective anti-acne product. Then, a lot of the time, although not all of the time, I will use a moisturizer. Now, the moisturizer that I actually like to use the most is aloe vera gel. There are several aloe vera gels that are not 100%. Some of them have green dye in them. Some of them have things like alcohol in them. As far as I know, the green dye doesn't actually hurt your skin, but true aloe vera gel is not green. The alcohol, for some people, can be irritating. Now, to be totally honest, I don't think that there is any true 100% aloe vera gel that you can buy, and that's because aloe vera gel actually goes bad pretty quickly within a matter of days. But if you actually have an aloe vera plant, then you actually can get pure aloe vera gel by squeezing the gel from its leaves. So usually I will wait at least 30 minutes after I have applied the Differin and clindamycin, and then I just apply the aloe vera gel to my face. And aloe vera is well known for its ability to treat sunburnt skin. But in addition to its ability to treat sunburns, it's also a very, very good moisturizer. Also, I would highly recommend that when you first start using Differin, that you always use a moisturizer 30 minutes after you apply it. And that's because When you first start using Differin, your skin can sometimes peel and be red, and you can have other such reactions. When I first started using it, I did not use a moisturizer for the first 4 days or so, and I was fine until the 5th day, in which my skin did start to get red and it started to peel. But after using a moisturizer, those effects went away within a day or two. Now that I use Differin every single day, and I've been doing so for over a year, I no longer need to use moisturizer to avoid that problem. However, within the first couple weeks of using Differin, I did. I want to point out that although Differin is actually not labeled for the purpose of anti-aging, it's actually more effective than any other anti-aging product that you can get over the counter. Differin is one of 3 retinoids that was initially developed for the purpose of treating acne. The first of these 3 was Retinoid, which generic name is tretinoin. And all 3 of these are related to vitamin A and have anti-acne properties, but they're also considered the gold standard in anti-aging treatments for your skin. The one that has the most research behind it for the purpose of anti-aging is tretinoin, but Differin is the only one that is available over the counter. It also could very well be equally as effective as tretinoin for the purpose of anti-aging. Part of the way Differin works for anti-aging is by building collagen in your skin. Since collagen production starts to slow down for some people as early as their 20s, it's a good idea to start using something like Differin early on. Also, if you're going to use Differin for acne, there is a possibility, up to a 25% chance, that initially your acne could get worse. And that's because Differin has a purging effect. Acne starts out as microcomedones that you can't see, but eventually become acne that you can see. And Differin speeds up the cycle in which these microcomedones come to the surface. So you can experience some purging. Most people don't. I personally did not. At least 75% don't have this problem, but there are some people that do have this problem. So if you experience purging, don't panic. You should continue to use the Differin. For a lot of people, the purging will peak at 2 weeks. Apparently that's when it's most likely to peak, and usually goes away within a month. For some people it can take up to 3 months. And for most people they don't have this problem at all, but it is possible for your acne to temporarily get worse. You can use other things to treat your acne in the meantime if that happens. Differin's effects do work very quickly. For most people, 3 months into using it, their acne will be reduced by 50%, and you will see substantial anti-aging benefits, usually within 1 to 3 months. Let me know in the comments if you like this video. It would also be awesome if you click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Join the Zork Army. I upload 5 videos a month. It would also be awesome if you followed me on social media, on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at ZorkMid123. I also live stream on Twitch and Younow under ZorkMid123.